What's up, guys? Got a great video today. Me and my boy, we're going to Pitt Race for Clean Culture's event they got. This is the beginning of my new series too, so let me know what you want to see. I'm going to try to do a bunch of stuff besides just car content. I'd like to do a bunch of other little things that I do. So hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to try to keep posting a couple of things after this. I'd like to do some car content on my car. I got a lot of parts for it, so I might as well record it and see what I can do with it. And then I got some content on my buddy's truck that we're working on. I'll show you that too. But for today, I'm just gonna make like a little vlog of the show that we're going up to. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm gonna try to go to as many events this year as I can, just to post some stuff. So this is gonna be a fun day. So I hope you enjoy it. The Uber has arrived. Welcome to the party. Shoo! RX-7. 30-minute drive left. Explain who you are.
Jonathan Sims. I'm the driver of this immaculate rig. This Honda Accord 1.5. Because I'm broke.
All right, explain the progress you got going on.
With the Ranger or the Prelude or the Accord. Or the G-HIKARU.
The Ranger, because that's the one I'm going to show next.
The Ranger, okay. I bought this pickup truck from a guy on Facebook Marketplace. Just wanted a pickup truck to have, you know, haul little stuff around, kayaks, dirt, you know, whatever. And I drive this thing around for 2 whole days before it grenades itself. Engine shot, blows up in the middle of the sheets, fogs the entire place out, and gasket's completely shot. I limp it back home. It's knocking bad, coolant boiling, and it's brown. So this guy and I, we pull the engine out, and we're like, okay, now we got a project on our hands. What are we gonna put in this? Everyone and their mother told me to 5.0 swap it or put a Cummins in it, but I've seen those all before. So we were like, let's do something different. Put a K series in the Ranger, and it hasn't moved since.
It's been what, like a year now almost? A little more than a year?
It's been a little more than a year. Progress is being made every time we go up there and look at it. It's just been a really long process. Currently it's gutted. All of the old Ranger parts are sitting in the bed. And, oh, hey.
Oh.
ADHD movement.
That's sweet. Wonder where he's going. Odd wraps.
That's what's up.
That's nice. Anyway, resuming.
We got the K24A8 originally out of a junkyard car, and before doing any research, got the engine for $100, not an issue, and realized that it has no aftermarket cam support, so we had to buy a new engine, had to scrap that idea. Got another engine, import K24A with 20 or 30,000 miles on it off this kit off Facebook Marketplace. Perfect engine, beautiful condition. We got the Mazda RX-8 transmission paired up to it with an adapter plate from Collins and a Haltech ECU, and a what harness did we go with?
I think a Jack Spania one.
Jack Spania racing harness, tucked harness for the K24, and it is waiting to go in as we speak. Still waiting to go in as we speak. Had to do a lot of fabrication to get the engine mounts because no one's ever put a K series in a Ranger successfully before.
I wouldn't say not successfully. There's a couple of them, but I'd say not cleanly.
Definitely not functionally, like reliably.
Structurally stable.
Structurally intact, yeah. So we're taking our time with this and trying to do it the right way. The end goal is to turn the truck into a drift / time attack / not really time attack, more like, what's that called when you're racing around the cones?
Not autocross.
Autocross, yeah, autocross and drift, but
I think
more towards drift. Yeah,
drift K-swapped Ranger.
Like drift K-swap turbo Ranger.
I'll show this in a different video. We'll spend like a whole day on it. Because the end goal is to try to get it running when? By the end of this year, hopefully.
By the end of this year.
Maybe, hopefully, like in a couple months.
Yeah.
Because we said that last year. We said we were supposed to get it running like when a month from when we started taking it
by
apart.
March of this year.
Yeah, that didn't happen.
And the engine's still not in it. Shoo! Engine is still not in the truck, but the mounts are mocked up. Not even mocked up, they're made.
They're made.
Just have to make something to connect the bushings to the frame of the Ranger, and the engine will be in there. I'm gonna have to do some fudging around with the transmission mount to get that to work, but that shouldn't be a super huge ordeal, just as long as it's in line straight, aiming straight towards the drive shaft. Should be in good shape.
Pitt Race. The line is huge. We got to get in still. I don't know if we have to sign waivers or anything, but I hear cars drifting around. I don't know what it is. I can't see it. But something's scooting up there. So we just finally parked. We were probably in this line for like 30 minutes just getting in here. There are a lot of cars. Hey look, there's a blue RSX. There's a lot of cars here, and they're still coming in. That one guy just said he doesn't think they expected this many people.
No.
There's a lot of people here. We got cars drifting, people are pulling in. They didn't even take our tickets yet, so we still gotta go do that. You got your camera. There's actually so many people here. So we gotta go to the main event, see what else is there. There's a whole car show and stuff. We're just like raiding entrance, just watching them drift. So we're gonna go see what else there is. cars are at, right next to where the drift thing is. There's a lot of cars here and a lot of people. And a lot of sweet wheels. John get some shots. There's so many cars in the drift pit. And there's so many clean ones out here. They also got go-karting over there. We're gonna do that. We're going go-kart. We're gonna go go-kart. Right now we're walking toward the racetrack part of it. They got extreme experience here. We're gonna see how much it is and what you gotta do for it. So here's all the cars. This place is like packed. These are all supercars that you could do that. Oh my. There's some nice ones here. There's a Huracan, a 458, some C8 Corvettes. There's a couple of those in the GTR. All right, so we just filled out the waivers to be here. Apparently they're booked for the supercar, so we were not able to do that. Said this is the only supercar I could afford. That one right there. Still can't afford that one. I can barely even afford the wheels on this one. So all the supercar rentals were all booked out. So we're going to check out the go-karts. Go see if they're available, if they're booked out. Because there was like 200 people by the extreme experience thing, and every single one was booked out for all today, tomorrow. There was an event yesterday they did too. Hello and welcome to Pittsburgh International. All right, we're up next, getting the helmets and everything, and we're looking at most of the time zone here. 76 seconds for a whole lap, so let's see if we can beat it. What do you think your fastest time's gonna be? Just estimated.
I'm trying to get below 80 seconds.
Below 80?
Below 80.
Below 80?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just below 80. If I get below 80, I'll feel okay.
Okay. So the highest time today is 76.5. So I'm gonna try to get close to that.
Yeah.
I don't think I can, but I'm gonna try. You think so?
You just gotta be quicker than me.
This track is actually ridiculously long. I think they have like 20 people on it right now. But it's a very big outdoor track. I think these carts I say either 45 or 50 miles an hour, so they're pretty big. Go-karting was a success.
That's what's up.
First race, his kart thing wasn't working, so we didn't get a time for his first one. For the second one though, he got second place.
E&J 1-2, baby.
Yeah, he got second place. It's too windy. What was the time? I can't read it. I'm walking, I can't read.
You got 79.7 best lap. I got 81.0.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
So, for the first time doing that on that full track like that, I broke into the 70s, which apparently there is pretty good. The one dude was there, he was flying, and he got, what, like 76? 76, yeah, he was flying. So that's not bad. I'm pretty happy with that. So, drifting is still going on. How much drift this thing there on A-Kart? But yeah, that was a success. We're gonna go find some food now because we're starving. That was like, what, 2 hours? Yeah. That was great. There's a lot of cars that were leaving, but a lot of them kept coming in. I don't actually remember half of these ones being here. Food smells good right now. After this, we're gonna go watch some drifting. We got the camera. He got his camera. We're gonna go take some pictures of some of the drifting stuff. Just sit by the barrier. I don't think you're allowed to have those here. Says who? Come on. It's gone. I'm pretty sure if it's like actually by the racetrack, like if it's actually like from Pitt Race here, they might be flying it. But I don't think like normal people can have the drones here. Like in between. Competition. I think we just made it. It's got an RX-7 and a Volkswagen. Looks like an older, what, Jetta? I'm gonna let you guys, if you want, you guys can all come closer. All right, let's go. Don't be trampling people. This ain't no Travis Scott concert. Next one. We got insurance, but that shit ain't good. We actually had a guy. Y'all know where we're at? All right. Come here. Here's right here. If you guys want to hear them go together, make some noise real quick. I'm not going to stop y'all. Whenever you want to stop, you stop. All right, just put a trophy on y'all. 1, 2, 3.
kept going for 30 seconds? Alright, so this is it right here. Like I said, no sex, living, no bullshit. And if you like him, then we don't like her. And if you like her, then we don't like him, alright? So y'all ready to vote? Let the RX-7 to win, make some noise. Uh-oh. Even she shook her head. But you went there. If you want the Mark 4 to win, make some noise. It was close, but I think you got it right there. Everybody give it up for home a little more time to Mark 4, y'all. Everybody give me the winner of the Pittsburgh Showdown. All right, bro, continue the moves. We got something for you later. Be safe, bro.
Couple cars are leaving now. A lot of hydro cars in there, or the hydraulic ones. They just did the two-step competition. That RX-701. Drifting still going. Got the low car limbo going here. They just did 2 rounds. I missed the first 2. There it is. This one, 7.8. Bro, his turbo sounds so good. It does. Look at that little thing. Little Del Sol. I want one of those.
Yeah, I know, those are sweet. A Del Sol or a CRX? That's what's up.
I can see. And I'm wearing a CRX shirt.
I know, I saw that.
Yeah, I doubt he would fit in it.
You have to angle the camera.
No, we got to do free rides in the extreme experience.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, the one guy looks at me and goes, "How tall are you?" He goes, 6'9", 6'10". He goes, "You're riding the Dolla." Their work truck.
Oh, man.
My coworker was bragging about getting to ride the Ferrari and the Lamborghini and the Porsche.
I think they could fit a couple more on that.
I think they could.
Oh my, that sounds amazing. This turbo whistles so loud.
It does.
And
It
so
sounds like it's coming.
yeah, you can hear it all over there. What happened over there? Somebody blew up.
It looks like it.
R.I.P. Yeah, I think that dude on that bike's drifting better than everybody else here.
He's just doing laps for fun.
That thing is full throttle right now. You can hear it.
Something got in the motor, he's dead.
Where they try to weigh it down.
Yeah.
I have an idea. Oh my. They got plenty of time. There's like 10 dudes on there. Car's flying it back up. They towed that one BMW off. I don't know if it blew his motor or something with his transmission. They had to tow it off. So they're all back on it now. Headed back to the car now. We just got done with the last session of karting. I had to do another one because it was a lot of fun. It was a long day. It was originally done at 8.
79.3 last session. The boy got it.
I did get first again. It was a lot of fun. It's like 9 at night. We're supposed to get done here at 8, so we're an hour late. But it was a great time. They're taking the drift cars, the last of them. It was great. Probably next video, I'm going to talk about, we're going to probably work on a Ranger, so that'll be pretty fun. Because we need to get progress done on that, because it's been a little bit since we started.
It's been a bit.
It's been a while, and he's got to order a lot of parts for it. And then I have a bunch of parts for my car. I'm not really going to work on that too much, but I do need to get some stuff done on it.
What do you got going in the RSX?
I have my big brake kit. I have wheels to go over that need tires.
Yep.
I have... Yeah, that's about it.
Any suspension stuff coming?
It's some,
Some.
but not a lot.
All the way down here on the hill. You want me to clear out some seats? Can we sit on the hood? Yeah. Service right here. Until you hit the brakes and I get ran over.
Safety at your service.
He's got a safety shirt on. We're good.
Yeah. First safety certified. Appreciate it. We'll see.
Wow, that window sounds like those BMWs earlier.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to make it a little bit different, start something new. If you did enjoy it, just let me know what else you want to see. If you want to see anything, I will be starting some RSX content soon, because I got a lot of parts for that I have to install and go over. I'll tag a bunch of stuff in the description for the show, and I'll tag John's stuff in it as well. If you want to follow along with the Ranger build, I'll be posting one of those soon. And then I got another buddy I want to show his car to, but we're going to have to get some organized for that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Peace, brothers.
I could fly.